Hey there, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic: how to lose weight without exercise. So let's dive right in. One key strategy is to eat about an hour and a half before engaging in any activities. This way, you won't feel the need to snack on unhealthy foods when you're out and about. Additionally, staying hydrated is crucial for those with smaller appetites, as it can help make your stomach feel fuller and prevent snacking throughout the day. Another trick is to replace your regular meals with soups or broth-based meals. These options are not only low in calories, but also high in nutrients. And let's be honest, soup is super satisfying and keeps us full. Now, let's talk about breakfast. Instead of starting your day with a heavy meal, try intermittent fasting by having your first meal later in the day. This approach has been shown to aid weight loss, while still providing you with energy throughout your workout session. Trust me, this technique really works wonders. Remember, it's important to take care of yourself by getting enough sleep and managing stress levels. These factors can have a significant impact on your weight loss journey. So there you have it, folks. These strategies can help you achieve your weight loss goals without breaking a sweat at the gym. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content like this one. Until next time, take care of yourselves and stay healthy.